In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move sections on Wix. If you are reorganizing your website and want your content to appear in a better order, moving sections in Wix is a quick and useful skill to know. Whether you are adjusting the layout of your homepage or simply fine-tuning the flow of information, Wix gives you a couple of easy ways to reposition sections inside the editor. To get started, open your site in the Wix editor. Once you are inside the editor, go to the page where you want to rearrange your content. This is important because sections can only be moved while you are actively editing the page. The first method is the standard editor method. Click directly on the section you want to move. When the section is selected, look to the floating quick access menu on the right side. There, you will see the option to move the section up or move the section down. These arrows let you quickly change the section's position without needing to drag anything manually. Just click the direction you want, and Wix will shift that section into its new spot on the page. This method works well when you already know exactly which section you want to move and only need to adjust it by one position at a time. The second option is the zoom out method, which can be especially helpful if your page has several sections and you want a clearer overview of the full layout. Go to the top bar and click the zoom out icon. This switches your view to a bird's eye perspective, making it much easier to see all of your sections at once. From here, click the section layer you want to move. You can then use the up and down arrows to reposition it, or click the More Actions icon, shown as 3 dots, to access additional section controls. This view is great for larger pages, because it helps you understand how each section fits into the overall structure of the page before you move anything. As you rearrange sections, take a moment to think about the order in which visitors experience your content. A clear sequence can make your site easier to browse and more effective overall. After moving your sections, it's always a good idea to review the page and make sure everything flows the way you want. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.